It's a new year, and so what better time to set some new goals for your shop? In fact, it's the perfect time to set some new TPMS goals. It's a great way to keep your team sharp and your shop consistent. Let's talk more about that next. First things first, a solid TPMS service starts with training. There's more high-quality TPMS education online right now than ever before. Say on, TireReview.com. There's webinars, videos, full certification courses, plenty for your technicians and advisors to take advantage of. Proper training is of paramount importance in any profitable TPMS program. Second, aim higher than just turning off the light. Dig deep and find that TPMS passion. Investing in cheap, low-quality sensors might get that warning light off for now, but they'll cost you later, either in a comeback or lost trust. A properly serviced TPMS system should work long-term, and that reliability is what builds your reputation. Third, the new year is the perfect excuse to give your TPMS business an annual checkup. Ask yourself a few questions. Are you replacing service kits every time a tire comes off the rim? Do your technicians have updated scan tools and enough chargers on hand? Even small details like how you display TPMS parts at the counter can make a difference. And finally, reevaluate your partnerships in this industry. The right manufacturer gives you the support to build a strong TPMS program, and that will help your shop run smoothly and stay profitable all year long. And that doesn't just go for TPMS either. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm David Sickles, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.